I guess we'll just get into it and let you look at it. What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about my 2015 F-150 and the Raptor style grill that I installed off of Amazon. It did come D-O-D-D or D-O-O-D, whatever it says, the dude grill as people like to call it. It was that grill, but it also shipped with the F and the R in the same box. So I don't know why they can do that. I guess that's a loophole in the system or whatever. You can't get trademarked for that. But yeah, it was $100.99 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. Make sure you check that link out. Buy something through it. It's an affiliate link, so that helps the channel. But I guess we'll just get into it and let you look at it. This truck does have aftermarket headlights, so I think it looks pretty good. The fitment is pretty good. Now, one bad thing about these headlights, grill, is you have to tie them into the headlights because it has lights in the grill, as I will demonstrate now. When you hit the unlock button, you can see that they light up. And these headlights are switchback, which is why it's white now. When you unlock or turn the blinker on, it turns to orange. But you're gonna wire it up to this light that's right there. Run the wires across, and that way you can have those lights show up. But do not use the wire taps or whatever. You're pretty much better off soldering, crimping, or something like that. Most people say don't solder on an engine bay because of the heat. Either way is better than those taps. So overall, would I buy this grill again if I had to? Definitely. At this point, it looks good. I'm trying to delete all the chrome, like the mirrors and the door handles and the badges and all that stuff, which I'll probably make another video about that. But for right now, I'm happy with the way this is looking. For $100, you can't beat it. It's plastic, and maybe you could paint it body color, but it does have a texture to it. So if you're thinking about buying one, I think you should do it. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe for more content on this, probably that, till I can sell it, which is one of those rims and tires are there. I've also got a 2018 Razor, so if you're into that, cool. I'm trying to get 10,000 subscribers too, so that would help. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, same username, be on the screen and in the description. And I guess I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.